Hey guys, I'm Anubha and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be creating this Mauve monotone makeup look using Huda Beauty's new Nude eye palette. So if you guys are excited for this tutorial, let's get started. I'm going to start off by using this Liquid Glow Illuminator by L'Oreal, and I'm going to apply this one on the high points of my face and massage it very nicely. And then I'm going to spread it all over my face, and look at that glow, that very subtle glow it has given me. Up next, I'm going to move towards the foundation, and this is the one by MAC Studio Fix one, and I'm in the shade NC35. And as usual, I'm applying this all over my face and also on my neck. And this is the PAC buffing brush that I'm using to blend this one. Also using the same foundation as my concealer, and as you guys can see, I applied this on my eyelid, underneath my eyes, and the other areas where I usually apply my concealer. To set everything in place, I'm going to be using the Stay Matte Pressed Powder by Rimmel, and I'm going to use my beauty blender to set my T-zone first, like my eyes, the eyelids, the nose, the corners of my mouth, and also on my forehead. Using a beauty blender really helps to, lock your makeup in place. And then for the rest of my face, I'm using this big fluffy powder brush to set everything in place. Up next, here comes the star of this eye makeup tutorial. So firstly, I'm going to use this one as my transition shade, and this is a very fluffy brush that I'm using, and blending this shade onto my outer corners, the outer V area, and also on my crease. Then I'm going to use a little darker Mauve shade, and I'm concentrating this color right on my crease and also on my outer V area. And if you guys can notice, I'm also taking this color a little bit inwards onto my lid as well. And next, I'm going to take the previous brush to blend everything in place so that everything looks nice and seamless. Up next, I'm going to take a little bit more darker Mauve shade, and I'm placing this color right on my crease and also on my outer V area, and taking this darker color also towards, like the half portion of my lid. Now I'm going to take this beautiful shimmer shade and apply it right on my inner corner, and look how beautiful it is. And then I sprayed my brush with some finishing mist, and then I applied that color right on the middle portion of my lid so that it looks very nice and reflective. Then I just went ahead and repeated these steps using the first transition shade, and then the darker Mauve shade, and next the slightly darker Mauve shade. So basically doing nothing but repeating the steps that we did previously. Coming to our lower lash line, I'm going to take this shade, and I'm using the smudge brush, just spreading this color on my lower lash line. I'm going to take this darker shade and apply this right on my lower lash line. Also wore false lashes off camera, and these are the ones by PAC, and now I'm just retouching my original lashes and just mixing them with the fake ones. And this is the one by Benefit, the mascara that I'm using, and applying it on my upper and lower lashes. Then I'm just retouching the glittery shade on my inner corners, and this is going to work as my inner corner highlighter. For the Kajal, I'm taking the one by Nykaa and applying it on my upper waterline. For contour, I'm going to be using this NYX Wonder Stick and applying this on the hollows of my cheekbones, my forehead, nose, and also on my jawline. I used it for the very first time and I did not find it much pigmented, so I think this is good for the days when you don't want a very prominent contour on your face, just a very simple natural sort of contour, and I think this would work well. Up next, I'm going to take both these shades from my Nykaa blush palette and apply it right on my cheeks, also apply on my chin and on my nose. Then I'm going to move further and apply a beautiful highlighter. This is the one by PAC BK09. I just absolutely love this one. It's such a nice, soft, and you know, like it has a very beautiful sheen to it, and I absolutely love it. And just applying it on the high points of my face. So for the lipstick, I applied this Lakme Matte Melt Liquid Lipstick, and I think it beautifully complemented my eyes. So guys, that's it for the entire makeup look, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching today's look. And I think I'm obsessed with purples and pinks and, you know, all of these tones. I absolutely loved using the Huda palette. I think it's so beautifully pigmented, and let me know if you guys want me to do more such looks from the palette. And please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. You know the drill already, and I will see you guys super soon in my next video. I love you all so much. Mwah. Take care. Bye bye.